Look at that. Yo, hit that bell notification so you guys can get updates on the new videos. Like, share, and subscribe. But what's swinging, gang? This your boy Auto Lust, and I know I told you I wasn't thinking about wrapping the X6M, but this is something totally different. I'm going over the PROTOUCH auto body, the same guy who painted the 650 horsepower 650. I'm gonna put that video down in the link if you guys never seen that, if you're new here. But this is something totally different, guys. This is a liquid wrap, and this guy said you can go any color you want, candies, pearls, and it's pillable, you know. So that's what we going over right now, because I gotta check this out, gang. So next thing you guys see will be PROTOUCH auto body. Just got here to PROTOUCH auto body, and like always, he always got surprises out here, man. He got a bunch of nice stuff out here, and I'm gonna let you guys see this liquid wrap. All right, let's get in here. John always has a million projects. GT Mustang, big dually. Oh, now that looks nice. You can tell this truck was completely repainted. That is beautiful. But let me show you guys what this liquid wrap looks like. Boom. This isn't liquid wrap, but this front bumper has already been shot and painted. That's liquid wrap, guys, and I don't know if you guys can pick up that sparkle in the paint. It's like some blue or purple metallic in it. Blue pearl? It's a blue pearl. That is beautiful. And you guys can go any color you want with the liquid wrap. Huh? Okay. And this, like, guys, look how thick this is. This is liquid wrap that's been painted. I'm gonna stretch this to show you how durable it is. Like, that's some durable stuff, man. Like, look at that. And this was painted, guys. This is without the clear. That is with the clear. The side of this car is getting redone because the owner bought some El Cheapo decals. So when they removed the decals, it started to mess the paint up. You know, it didn't have air release on the decals like it was supposed to. You know, so it kind of messed it up. But guys, can you believe that that is not a paint? That is not paint at all. That's liquid wrap. Got a truck in here. I'm looking for John. Here he is right here. What's going on, bro? Hey, I came to tell people about this liquid wrap, man. Can you explain a little bit about it for them?
It's paint that protects.
It's paint that protects, guys. Hold on a minute. We finna come out here and John gonna explain a little bit for you.
So the front of this is actually done. Now we had issues with the back half because
yeah, I explained to him about the
wasn't our fault. That was,
the cheap decals. Yeah,
but actually, if you take a look, you got a blade. Camera on.
Gonna show you guys exactly how this stuff works.
This is out the gun.
And that's right out the gun, guys.
This is Hemi orange with a custom sunset pearl, and then we did a graphic on it, and then cleared over it.
And this stuff is thick, guys. Like, look how thick that is. I mean, no rock is gonna chip this, man, like a paint job. This stuff is durable. I mean, it's thick. I wish you guys could feel this. It's like leather in your hand almost.
In comparison, there's your standard tape.
And that's standard tape for a comparison.
It's about double the thickness.
Double the thickness. You could actually see the side of that. That's how thick it is. That's crazy. Now check. Yeah, and this stuff has a durability up to what, 5 years?
5 to 10 years.
5 to 10 years, guys. That's crazy. 5 to 10 years. That is crazy. This just came off the side of that vehicle. In my opinion, this is 1,000,000 times better than the vinyl wrap, guys.
Oh, same here.
You don't have to worry about bubbles, laying it, heating it, and all of that crap.
No seam line. Look.
No seams at all.
All this in here. This is all wrap. You gotta redo this. That's your whole jam. And this had, look at this had imperfections. This is why this guy got a wrap, is because he got a bad restore job.
Oh, somebody did a bad restore job. So this guy was looking for a budget paint job because he got a bad restore job. And man, look at that. That covered those imperfections up perfect. I mean, perfectly, guys.
I don't know if you can tell, like even on the roof. That was all covered. You can see back here, it's smooth. If you actually take a look at all the...
Oh, yeah, I can see that. That's crazy, guys. Look at this. Look at this out in the sun. Hold that in, John. Guys, this was just on a car, and I thought it was paint. But it's definitely wrap. Yeah, I think the X6M is definitely going for a liquid wrap, guys. You can go any color you want. Candies, pearls, custom colors. It's something that's getting shot now in the bay, John?
No, actually, here, I got some. You can bring any of them outside in the sun.
Oh, man. This is a beautiful area here. And these are just some of his custom colors he's done. What you guys think on the X6M, guys? What should we do? Look at that chameleon flip.
Yeah, that's a real cool.
Got pearls and everything. Oh yeah.
This looks like you.
Yeah.
This is,
hey, that's
Miami blue.
Miami blue.
With a custom
Looks
pearl.
like the 650. That's beautiful too, John.
This is actually, if you look at this flops. If you bring it out in the sun.
Yeah, let's bring that out in the sun. That looks nice.
That's purple.
Oh my God, that's gorgeous.
That is one off.
That is gorgeous.
Just got this.
Man, this is the man right here, guys. This is the man. And his Google reviews speak for itself, guys. Over 100 5-star Google reviews. The most highly rated paint shop in Brevard County. His work speaks for itself, guys. And these are some of the brands he carries here. And this is the vinyl side, guys. Because he does PPF, vinyl, regular car wrap. If you want to get a regular car wrap with the vinyl, he does that also.
This is the high gloss on the roofs.
And this is the high gloss if you want to do the blackout roof. Came a long way from doing 1,000,000 hours on the Equus roof to make it look like glass, right?
I didn't spend all that time.
Yeah. Guys, this is the perfect time to I'm leaving the shop now, and he gave me some good prices, guys. So if you're looking for an alternate way to go other than paint or vinyl wrap, which is going to be a paint job, is going to be about $7 grand for a good paint job. $7,000-8,000. Door jams, taking the whole car apart. You know, a vinyl wrap for SUV, in my case, I got quotes for $5,000 and $4,600, which is pretty much $5,000. You know, so this is definitely the go-to, guys. You know, 10-year durability if you take care of it, you know, and it comes with a, but you want to take it off before 5 years or around 5 years, guys, or it's gonna get hard to take off like any wrap, guys. So yeah, this place is called PROTOUCH Auto Body, guys, and I'm gonna give you the address. It's 7609 Tropic Drive, Melbourne, Florida 32904, guys. The owner name is John, and I mean, he did the 650 for me, and he did a great job. Like I said, I'm gonna place that video down in the description so you guys can see the work he did on the 650. That was a full paint job though, fully custom. I mean, marker delete light, marker deletes, custom painted fog lights, headlights. I mean, that video is gonna show you a gorgeous piece of automotive excellence, guys. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video, guys. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification, and I'll see you guys on the next one.